Greetings and salutations to you, my friend. I've got a box here from Stuart McDonald, or StewMac for short. I'm babysitting my two twin-year-old daughters right now, so if you hear something in the background, forget about it. It's just them. Hey, watch it. Hey, 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 yeah. Alright, so Stuart McDonald, if you have never heard of them, they supply tooling for luthiers, or stringed instrument builders, I guess, a range of instruments. They also have kits that you can order and build for yourself. So in this box I have a tenor ukulele kit. Now my aspirations are to become a guitar builder. I've been dreaming about doing luthier work for the past 7 years since I first watched a video of somebody building a guitar. So I was just fascinated with the whole thing. But it's a very daunting thing to get into, but I'm going to go ahead and try to get my feet wet, at least on a small scale, by building a ukulele. So I figured that'd be a good place to start. So I'm going to open this box and we'll see what's inside. What you doing, girl? Alright, so in addition to the kit, I did include a few cam clamps. I figured I would start my collection of these because I'll see a lot of guitar builders using these style of clamps. So I bought 2 small and 2 large, so you can see the difference there on how wide they are. Now I gave thought to building these myself, but I just didn't feel like doing it, honestly. Now what I did do though, I built me some spool clamps instead of buying them. So if you want to see how I made these, I'll put a link to that video. Yeah, you'll see it here on the screen, or it'll be at the end of the video, or you can find a link in the description box. So I got those clamps to get going. My phone's ringing. We have to hit pause. And I'm back. So I should say that this is the first video of a series I'm planning on doing on this ukulele build. So there's no way I'm going to be able to build this in one day or even a week probably. So I'm going to be releasing videos in sequence. This is the first video. It's just an unboxing to see what's inside the box when you order one of these tenor ukulele kits. I really thought there'd be more than this. This is tiny, but it is a ukulele kit, as you can see. I guess I didn't realize how small a ukulele really is. So I knew they were small, but I haven't seen one in person in a very long time. So let's get this out of the way. So this probably won't take as long as I thought it would. So let me open this one. Now this one's got a solid mahogany top. It's got a laminated mahogany back and sides. A walnut bridge and fretboard. It does come with a pre-carved neck, so there's no way I'm going to try to make my own neck and carve it and all that stuff on the first go around. Alright, so here's the plans, assembly instructions. So you can see the layout there, and it shows you where to put the bracing. I wonder if it would behoove me to make copies of this sheet, just in case I need them for further reference. And I've got the assembly instructions. Looks like it's full of pictures and text, so looks like it's going to be pretty well documented. Got the sides here. Now the plan after this ukulele is to build a guitar, so the first guitar I'll do, I'll probably get bent sides as well, so I don't have to do that part. But I do want to work towards bending my own sides, cutting my own kerfing, and doing everything myself. But that is down the road, no doubt. Got a bag of the bracing. I'll tell you how difficult it is to try to record a video while you're watching your 2-year-olds. Goodness. So here's the sides, just a closer view for you. I've got a bag of hardware and the strings. So these are the tuners and the strings and the bridge and the nut. I'm not quite sure what this is. It's real bendy. Maybe this is, instead of kerfing, maybe this goes where the kerfing would go on the guitar. I don't know. And I've got a little, like a rubber band material for clamping. I guess to wrap around the body and clamp it and such. Got 2 of them. And the fretboard Also in the bag I did include a bottle of water thin super glue, just in case I need it. I don't have any on hand. Alright, so what do we have here? Fret wire. Okay, here's the neck. And I've got the back and the soundboard. So these are both, I guess, walnut. What did I say? Walnut or mahogany? I can't remember what I said. But there you go. Those smell really good. And that is what's in the box. Alright, well that's it for this first video. Just a simple unboxing to show you what's in the box. I appreciate you checking it out. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can see upcoming videos in this series. I do plan on making a playlist, and I'll have that available in my channel somewhere on YouTube here. So stick around. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.